Okay, we have gold continuing to consolidate with an inside day. However, there is a somewhat upward bias to the pattern that is now developing. Hello, this is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So the key thing, a couple things here. Number one, we have an inside day, but the inside day takes the form of a bullish hammer candlestick pattern. It's not at a specific ideal location. However, it does show the sellers being in control earlier in the day, and then the buyers being back in control towards the end of the day. And that's why we get this narrow range open to close uh, candle body there. But what is significant here is we have a potential falling bullish wedge, and you see the wedges, both lines are heading down and they're heading towards each other. So we can think of that similar to a setup to a snapback rally in a sense. So we have a breakout triggered on a move above yesterday's high of 2,164, and then confirmed on a daily close above that level. You can see how the 8-period moving average blue has not actually turned down yet. It's going sideways. And so we don't have a bearish signal yet on the 8-day, on the 8-period, in other words, but a bullish breakout is triggered then. And then is the wedge complete? It looks like it could be complete, but there is a possibility it still chops around, staying within the lines and goes a little bit lower again and tries to test these lower level. Nevertheless, an upside breakout is triggered at that point. Now, what is interesting is if we take the measuring objectives of some of these patterns that are setting up here, for example, we take this measured move, we can take this move right here and look at it like a pole, similar to a pennant pattern, if you're familiar with that pennant, add that distance onto the breakout in order to get a target. That is discussed in today's article, but it's above this 2297 level. And then we also have this large measured move here that happened previous to this consolidation. And notice that this consolidation phase was a symmetrical triangle highlighted by these two blue lines. We broke out of the symmetrical triangle and now we're heading higher. Now, this was a 17.9% move in a relatively short period of time. If we see a similar move, we may see a similar move in the current advance. And for that, we would be looking for a target of roughly 2,300 or so. And further details are in the write-up today. Nevertheless, that is it for gold. If you get find some value out of these videos, please like and subscribe and have a great week.